Welcome to the Delta version 1.0 presentation. In this screencast, I'll guide you through all the processes covered with Delta system. First of all, let's start with order export from Bob system as a zero step of Delta workflow. So we are going to order processing screen. Here, click filter button, choose the exportable state of orders. This state means that order is ready for export to Delta. So apply filtering. Here we can see all the orders that are in state exportable. So let's choose one of the orders. For example, this one. Let's enter it. Let's remember the order number ends with 08883, and let's remember the SKU number ends with 13499. Let's export this order to Delta. This one, yes. We need to edit the state to start export and press OK button. So export is done. So we're switching to our Delta system. This is our first screen of Delta. Here we can see the interface that allows us to create and place purchasing orders, inventory orders, transport orders. There are some filters from Russian warehouse to Russian supplier, from Russian warehouse to German warehouse, and from German warehouse to German supplier. So here we can see all the items were ordered by our clients. Here we can see inventory items to place them, and here we can see all the products we are able to purchase. So let's find our target order item we ordered. So we remember that it ends with 13499, so here it is. Let's place it. We need to place checkbox. Also we can increase the quantity of it, and we need to press place an order button. Let's place. So congratulations, we have created our first order in Delta. So our next step is email handling. As you know, we have to inform the supplier that we want to purchase some quantity of target items. So here we can see our purchasing order. We can export it to CSV file. Well, in CSV file we can see the order number, supplier name, product SKU, and the SKU of supplier, also quantity. After we send the email with the purchasing order, we have to change the state of this order to placed to provide information to Delta that this purchasing order request has been sent to the supplier. Step 3. Order confirmation. After the purchasing order has been sent, we need to wait till supplier confirms the possibility of purchasing some items were ordered. Let's imagine that we have received such an order confirmation. On this screen, we are able to enter the information about order confirmation itself and the items were confirmed or cancelled. To proceed with the items, we need to enter shipping date, order confirmation number, order confirmation date. So let's enter some data. Don't forget to put checkbox here. Also, we were able to set the data for the multiple positions and save our changes. Well, we have created the order confirmation in Delta. Then we need to create delivery note to move goods from one place to another. Let's enter the creating delivery notes interface. Here we can filter the suppliers. Let's select the supplier we placed the order. It's Mebelson. Let's select final destination. For this case is Russian warehouse. Let's set up delivery node number. Then we are able to set quantity of movable items. We can see it here. To create delivery node, we have to move items from confirmed field to delivery node items field. Let's do it by plus button and press the create button. Delivery node created. Let's see if we could edit delivery nodes. So we need to press this one. Here we can see number and date of delivery nodes, point from the destination, and state of delivery nodes. Our created delivery node was created with state open. To proceed with items contents in delivery node, its state must be set up through some other states to delivered. So let's set it up. Delivery node means that goods are in their destination. So goods are in Russian warehouse. Let's enter our delivery node. Here we can edit delivery node number and date, change state of items. Also, we have a link to purchasing order initiated this delivery node. Let's see some other stuff. Press other products. Here we can see our product catalog. Here we are storing all the products we have in system. Other items. Here we can see all the items we have ever ordered to our supplier. Every item has a link to client order in Bob and detailed overview. Let's see our detailed overview. Here we can see all the information about target item, all the history of changes, states, information about product itself. Also we can see the information about parent item, but not this one. Here we can see the information about parent item. Let's see order overview. Other, order. Here we can see all existing orders. We have filters for all the fields, but main filter is order type. We have here client orders, transport orders, purchasing orders, inventory orders. We can choose the order type, see the information about order from two fields: quantity, order date, state of order, date of state, and the order confirmation number if it exists. Also, we can enter the order itself and view the detailed information about it. See the items of this order. Also, we have a link to a detail view of target item, link to initial order. Initial order for that purchasing order is client order. Inventory overview. So other inventory. Here we have our inventory items. So since delivery nodes with destination Russian warehouse setup state delivered, ordered items that were not ordered by a client appears here in inventory overview. Also, we can export selected items to a CSV file here. So let's see our inventory overview for the reserved items. Other, inventory reserved. Here client ordered items appear after goods were delivered to Russian warehouse. We have here the information about order, link to the client order in Bob, and detailed overview of the item. To proceed with client order, we need to enter client order in Bob. Clicking this link, set up the date of delivery and save changes. After that, let's turn to Delta and press other after create delivery notes button. Let's check our delivery notes, and we will see that Delta has created delivery note from Russian warehouse to customer with state open almost automatically. I want to note that in the nearest future we will be able to create some complicated outbound documents with client information, order information, delivery terms, and etc. For the purchasing orders from German suppliers through the German warehouse, the workflow in Delta system is almost similar. So we are placing the purchasing order from this interface to the German supplier, and it's passing through all the states just as ordered to Russian supplier. But as a result, it has not the delivery note, but the transport order from German warehouse to Russian warehouse. And just as goods have come to the Russian warehouse, they increased the stock level of inventory reserved, and we are able to create delivery notes to the customer and send his order to delivery. So this is the end of our process.